Hi math class. Today we're going to continue adding and subtracting rational expressions, and I'm going to show you some examples that maybe are a little bit trickier when it comes to the common denominator. So I've set up this example. I've got 5 over x plus this kind of ugly term x plus 1 over x squared minus 2x. The steps are going to be the same. So the first thing we want to do is factor. Okay, there's nothing I can do with 5 over x, but it looks like I can factor an x out of this denominator here. Okay, and I'm going to be left with an x minus 2. Alright, that leads us to be able to find our non-permissible values very easily. Okay, I'm going to get one from here. X can't be 0. Same with this x here, but I don't need to do it again. I also see x minus 2 can't be 0. So I get a non-permissible of x equals 2. Okay, that's no big deal. What I want to talk about now is how to get a common denominator here. And when the two terms are factored, it should be pretty straightforward to see what you need to multiply by to get a common denominator. So this denominator is x, this denominator is x times x minus 2. If you want these two denominators to match, you're going to have to multiply this side by x minus 2. And what you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. So let me just clean this up a bit. I won't do any math yet, but I'll just spread it out so you can see what's going on. So now we see our denominators are the same because I've multiplied by x minus 2. Do the same thing to the top. Now what you're going to want to do is expand the top here. Okay. And then I'm going to bring it all over the same denominator. And remember, I like to put the second one in brackets. It wouldn't matter when you're adding, but it really matters when you're subtracting rational expressions, which we'll see, and we have seen yesterday. Now we got to gather our like terms. I got a 5x plus x. And then I got negative 10 plus 1. Oops. Smeared that 5x there. I hope that's okay. And I can simplify this now. 5x plus x is 6x. Negative 10 plus 1 is minus 9. And that's our solution.